Carmen, do you know what that was the sound of?
The school bell?
No, Carmen, it's the sound of freedom! A whole week off from school! I feel like this is a good time for a song and dance number. You up for it? No. It's spring break. How am I the only one who's excited?
I'm excited.
I knew I could count on you, Chloe. So what are we gonna do first? Beach? Pool? Pool by the beach?
Actually, I have plans to clean out and paint the tack room at the barn. You wanna help?
No. So what are you gonna do? I don't know. Chloe just kind of ruined all my plans.
All right, on that note, I'm going home.
Chloe, wait up! You're my ride! Sophie, if you ever figure out what you want to do, give me a call. But I don't know what to do. I've got a whole week off and I have no idea how to spend it.
Sophie, you can come to the barn with me. A little hard work could be good for you. It builds character.
The barn?
Okay, Sophie, first thing we're gonna do is clean all the stalls that need new shavings, and make sure you push the wheelbarrow all the way up the hill to the manure pile in the back.
Wait, did you just say manure? I'm out of here. You know what, Chloe? I think I'm gonna pass.
Okay, but give me a call if you change your mind.
Thanks, Chloe, but I'm pretty sure I can come up with something better than manure. Now let's see. I could go to the beach. I am going to spend the day relaxing on the beach. Well, I could if I could find a space. This place is super crowded. It looks like everyone had the same idea as me. Ow!
Oh, Sophie, I am sorry that I hit you in the forehead with the frisbee.
It's fine, Naveen. Just gotta go somewhere else. This place is too crowded. Wait a minute. I don't have to sit on the beach like an average human. I'm a mermaid. I can go where they can't follow. Haha. Peace and quiet, here I come. All right, now where is the grotto? Oh yeah. You know, I almost forgot how beautiful it is down here. A week under the sea would be the perfect vacation. I could even do a little treasure hunting.
Hello, dearie.
No, not again. I think I'll just spend a quiet week in the grotto. Home sweet grotto.
Excuse me. You are trespassing.
Excuse me, but this is my grotto. No one has lived here for ages. I figured it was abandoned, so I moved in. And now it's mine. Aw, man! Maybe I can go hang out with my auntie. So, are we just gonna stand around in a field? I've got a better idea. I can go to that music festival and play the guitar on stage for Beyonce. Wow! Best spring break ever! Except for the fact that my guitar skills need a little work. I don't have tickets or the money to go across the country for a concert. I could go shopping. Oh yeah, no money. Maybe if I lay here long enough, the perfect idea will come to me.
Hey, Sophie, what did you do for spring break?
I'm still trying to decide what to do.
What do you mean you're still trying to decide? School's tomorrow. Spring break is over.
What? And Chloe, what happened to your hair?
Oh, well, all spring break, I stayed over at Grandma's house to help out with the horses. One day we took a break and went to the greatest show. There was this girl, she was an acrobat, and she had pink hair. Grandma and I loved the look so much that we went home and dyed our hair pink. Then I took some trapeze classes. It was the best spring break ever.
Is it permanent?
Nah, it washes out.
So, let me get this straight. You had this amazing spring break adventure, and all I did was sit around thinking about what I want to do and ended up doing nothing at all? I wasted my spring break.
I'm so sorry to hear that, Sophie. But look on the bright side. You'll have another spring break next year.
We want to give a shout out to RL Price 03. What's up? So yeah, that was pretty much my spring break. I spent so much time thinking about what to do that it passed me by. I'm sure there's a lesson in there somewhere. Oh well, I guess I better get ready for school. Ew. I should probably take a shower first and change my clothes.
Why